There are so many wannabes, Valentino's, Donna Born and Roma fragrance, but I finally found the one which has aced the scent profile to the T. We're talking about Reverie Petals from Zemaya. First of all, the packaging is so gorgeous. It comes in this deep wine burgundy box. And look at this 3D effect going on here with beautiful pink, golden nuances. Such a pretty box. And the bottle does not disappoint. Look how beautiful this bottle is. Again, this beautiful deep purple to burgundy color bottle with a metallic flower badge kind of made in here and Reverie Petals right here. So the packaging is super cute and a beautiful magnetic closure. This perfume is so elegant, so sophisticated. It is slightly fruity, floral, very bright, woody, slightly citrusy, very soft, spicy, ever so slightly sweet. This is a very girly girl, bubbly, chirpy kind of a personality in a bottle. Now this one opens up with some zestiness, mixing up with some blackcurrant, which kind of brings in a very berrylicious, juicy, fruity opening. A pink pepper that adds into a very soft touch of spices. Jasmine and musk mixing together, bringing in a beautiful powdery white floral nuance, and everything's tied together with some cashmere and woods, some woodsy nuances, and some sweetness of vanilla. This is literally Donna Born and Roma in a bottle done to perfection. That really goes well all year around, all occasions, all ages, and literally it's like a signature scent worthy kind of a fragrance. It's super non-offensive. It's the kind of fragrance that everyone seems to love. And not just that, it's the kind of fragrance that goes really well with Western wear, Indo-Western wear, and even with Indian traditional wear. So that's like a universally flattering fragrance right here with a gorgeous bottle. And let's talk about the performance on this one. So initially when I got it, it was quite a soft fragrance and I kept it for maceration for 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks is when it has shined through. Around 7 to 8 sprays of this fragrance now gives me around 6 hours of longevity, and projection and sillage is moderate to soft. This is what I call an effortlessly chic and an easy reach fragrance. On days of confusion on what to wear, this is a very easy reach option. So your hunt for a feminine soft energy fragrance should end with Reverie Petals. I purchased mine from Scentopia and this is the non-affiliated discount coupon code that you can use. Follow me for more perfume content and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.